Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of November 22nd through the 28th using Coffee Planner Mom's Thanksgiving kit. And to tell you the truth, I am under the weather, been sick since about last Tuesday, so I didn't really feel like talking while I was planning. So that's why you're getting a voiceover this week. I am feeling better, but still, on the mend and all that fun stuff. Yay, fun times. So, just to let you know as things are coming up, Coffee Planner Mom is going to be having a Black Friday weekend sale of 40% off her entire shop. So if there's something you've been thinking about getting, now is the time to do it for sure. And if you mention my code Holly15, you will get um, my freebie. You won't get 15% off on top of it, but you'll still get my freebie if you mention my name. So that's pretty cool. The washi that I'm using here is something I got from Michael's. It's probably Recollection washi. I just thought it looked fun. Added something a little bit different. Was definitely going for the use all of the stickers. And my camera angle is a little off because I was having a hard time with lighting again. It was overcast when I was filming. You know, same deal. Trying to get the best thing. I think I'm just gonna have to invest in a better light. So one of the things I needed to put down, and I was kind of going through deciding like what patterns I wanted where. Sharpie Dog is back on antibiotics again. We're just falling apart over here. No, he's still itchy, and we're trying to get that under control. So we're hoping that another round of antibiotic will help him feel a whole lot better. So these boxes are so I keep track that I give him his antibiotic every day because it's another 14-day round. Yay! Love the weekend banner. Wasn't going to not use it. And you may think, why are you putting a meal planning sticker, Holly? Because it's Thanksgiving. I'm still planning my meals for the other days. I'm definitely not prepping this week because of being sick, but um, well, I did prep some. I made a Mexican vegetable soup. Super good. I already had a bowl of it today, and it's going to get me through the 2 days of school I got. I only have school Monday and Tuesday this week, and then I'm off Wednesday and the rest of the week. So it'll be a nice time. On Tuesday, I used the pumpkin pie sticker because at my K-3 building, we have a Thanksgiving pie throw, and that has to do with our food drive from last week. Every time kids brought in food, they got to put their name on a ticket, and on Tuesday afternoon, we draw names, and those kiddos get baked goods. We have a lot of baked goods that we bring in, and then they get to throw pies at teachers' faces and the principal's face. It's a good old time. I really like it. On the 24th, I have to remember to pick up Thanksgiving dinner before 3 p.m. We ended up deciding to order this year. I'm so glad we did. Last year we ordered um, basically one of our grocery stores. You can order your Thanksgiving dinner already prepared. You just have to heat it. And at first I was like, no, I want to make it this year because I really do like being in the kitchen. You guys know I like to cook. But just so much stress with school, and now realizing that I have gotten sick, I'm so glad we ordered. It's going to take a lot of stress off. It's going to make the day much nicer. And I was just having fun using up these full boxes. I'm not good at a no white space bread, people. Like, I like my white space. I like having, but I also was like, I want to use this whole kit or as much of it as I can. And I happen to have already watched a couple of the other PR girls um plan with me. Specifically, I saw Gail, who's at the Planning Girl, and I liked that she talked about like using the like very Thanksgiving specific patterns first. I was like, oh, yes, that is a smart idea. I sometimes forget that because I like to, kind of balance the patterns and the non patterns. And I was just like, nope, nope. Use all of the Thanksgiving y stuff, the pumpkin pies, the turkeys, all the things. I do not typically go Black Friday shopping. I will probably do a lot of online shopping this year, but so that part will be happening. But other than that, I don't really go out on Black Friday. I stay home. I am gonna have a small business Saturday sale for my pink zebra. Um, so if you're a part of my VIP group, make sure you check that out. If you're not, you can request to become a member of my Facebook VIP group, and you can check out my sale that I'm gonna do. Yes, I am still gonna do chores on the weekend. House doesn't clean itself. That'd be awesome. Oh, I should mention, game night is not actually for Pink Zebra. Um, because usually you guys know that well, if you're new here, you don't know. Oh, I'm silly. Um, anyway, I mark off when I have my VIP Facebook game night, but this game night is actually for my family. We're planning on maybe doing some card games that night just to chillax, little family bonding. I also wanted to make sure I used all the quotes because even though like you can use thankful quotes whenever, just I don't know. I just felt like filling everything up. I needed some happy thoughts of playing with stickers. Who else needs happy thoughts sometimes? I decided to add extra checklists because I know I'm probably going to need them throughout the week, so I might as well have space for them. Figuring out where that quote was going took a lot. You'll see me pick it up and put it down, pick it up and put it down quite a bit. I also had a snafu with some of my sticker sheets. Uh, they got stained, and I don't know if it was from pink zebra stuff or like what it's from, because it's not like when I know I've shown before where like the sprinkles, like there'll be little circle dots. No, this was like a whole stack of stickers that got like this weird stain on them. So I mean, I'm still gonna use them. They're not like unusable, but they don't have that white background anymore. So the lesson that taught me was make sure you put your stickers away when you're done planning. That's what that taught me. just adding a few more pieces of deco, a couple extra checklists, and that will bring us to an end here soon. Um, if, if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure you check out Coffee Planner Mom's Black Friday sale and leave some comments of the Black Friday sales you are looking forward to, whether they're online or in person. What are the things you're looking forward to? And of course, what are you thankful for this week? I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.